Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm taking a look at some recently released SD cards from Kingston. So what I have here is the Canvas React Plus kit. I got the two of them, the SD card and micro SD card. So the SD card is at 128 GB with 300 megabytes per second, and also it's rated for 8K as well. Taking a look at the second one, the micro SD card is 128 GB with up to 285 megabytes per second. So those are the fast ones, definitely for 4K and 8K. So those are good. So taking a look at the next ones are the Canvas Go Plus here. So I do have the micro SD card and the SD card here. So the micro SD card is 128 GB and can go up to 170 megabytes per second, while the 128 GB SD card can go up to 170 megabytes per second. So those are the same. And taking a look at the Canvas Select Plus. So these are gonna be like for full HD. The other ones are more like for 8K, 4K, all that. So that's Canvas Select Plus. So 128 GB, 100 megabytes per second. This is the SD card. And the Select Plus, which is, and the micro SD card can go up to 100 megabytes per second. And this is the 64 GB. So let's have a look at the speeds of these and compare to what they actually say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn the notifications on. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. So I'll see you guys on the next one.